I was mugged by a man on crutches wearing camouflage. I thought, you can hide, but you can't run. Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is, he says looking down, Within the Ruins. I had to look down then, because just for a second I wasn't sure, because I don't know who Within the Ruins are. This is a song called World Undone. Came out on this EP last month, so it's fairly new, obviously, brand new. I'm not certain that that's the cover of the EP. Obviously it's the cover of the single, and it was the only cover I could find, so it probably is the cover of the EP. I'm just not certain, but you're not going to have a hard time finding it because there's all links underneath the official video, and I've got a link to the official video under here. So yeah, so it doesn't really matter. I just don't want to like say this is the cover when it turns out it isn't, but it's the only one I could find. It probably is. Anyway, this is the title track of World Undone. So I don't know, I've never heard them, I don't know anything about them, and this was recommended by Galactic Criminal. Galactic Criminal and I converse, and every now and again he goes, I got another song for you, kind of thing. Only he does it in text, but it still sounds like that even when he does it in text, in case you're wondering. So yeah, let's give it a go. I don't know what we're getting, but they're quite often the fun ones, aren't they? Let's face it. So click there and click there and click there. We have to embrace the fall. They've certainly had fun in the studio, haven't they? It sounds like they've twiddled about 1,000 dials.
Which one makes sense of the world?
Well, it's been sampled within an inch of its life, hasn't it? And it's been studioed within an inch of its life. But not to the point where I don't like it. So it's something that you know, I think you get more out of it on repeat listenings because you're not quite so sort of taken aback by it, and you're not struggling to keep up with all of the bits as it weaves around. I like the fact that, because at first I thought they had so much of the staccato kind of stop-start kind of thing going on that I was glad when it opened up a little into something that you could get hold of and go along with, because you can't go along with you know, but then it opened up. So yeah, Within the Ruins. Obviously it's a certain genre. You know, technical death metal, or there's probably another genre that I'm unaware of. Please feel free to write it in the comments and say, no, this is techno fusion sample noise or something. I may have just invented a whole new genre of metal there. But to me, it's technical death metal. Very technical. It's the amount of the sort of sampling and the studio work that's gone into that. Kind of changes its genre a little for me. I don't know what into. I just know that, you know, you've got your technical death metal, which is all clearly super talented people, and what they've recorded is what they played. And then you've got this kind, which is what they recorded, they then fiddled around with, you know, and then sort of wrote it to the track after that. In my humble opinion, if I'm completely off, I apologise, but that's how it comes across to me. So yeah, it's entertaining but hard work. Like I say, it's one of those things I think you'd need to listen to a little. Yeah, I mean, as usual, what does everybody else think? That's one good thing about this channel, is we can feel free to have a discussion, and we keep it civil, and then everyone learns something. So yeah, I liked it. Don't know who Within the Ruins are. Don't know how popular or how big they are. It's just a little much to take in one go, and I think that's the second time this week I've said that. But hey ho, yeah. So there you go. What do you think? Do you agree with me? Let me know. Thanks for watching, as always. Feel free to subscribe. I don't usually say that, but what the hey. Feel free to subscribe or share it or like it or whatever. Don't dislike it. It makes me unhappy. See you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm still mulling it over. Can you tell? It's still going round in my head. I'm like, thanks. Bye-bye.